Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jumbo Josie from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes with 2 circles. Now inside each eye, let's add another circle for the pupils. And now let's color them both in black. Next, around each eye, towards the outside, let's thicken it up slightly with another curve. Next, let's add the eyelashes. Let's start on top and let's draw one going up and color it in black. And now let's draw 4 more going down on both sides. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath with a curve across. Then from the ends, let's curve it down and in towards the center. Next, let's hop inside and draw the teeth. Let's start at the top in the center and let's draw a U-shaped curve down and up. And now let's do the same thing going over on the right and on the left. And now let's do the same thing on the bottom. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up on the top right and add the bow. On the top right of the eye, let's start with the circle. Then let's draw an angle up, down, and back in. And the same thing on the other side. And that's it for the bow. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start next to the bow on the left here and let's draw a curve across the top. Then let's continue it by curving it down and in. And let's do the same thing on the right side underneath the bow. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the arms. Underneath the head on the left here, let's draw an angle down, and then let's curve it downwards like this. And let's do the same on the right. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve down like this. And then connect them at the bottom with a curve. And lastly, inside each one at the bottom, let's draw another curve going up. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's hop in and draw the body. Let's start with angled lines down on both sides for the body. Now from the left side, let's angle it down and out. And then let's curve it back up for the first leg. Now let's do the same thing for the right leg, but instead of angled, we're going to make this one straight. And that's it for Jumbo Josie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!